Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove a user to your Google Search Console or Google Webmaster. So we are going to start. Go to your Google Search Console, scroll down, go to Setting. From here, click Users and Permission. So as you can see here, those are the users I got right now for this website. Let's say I'm gonna remove this one. I'm gonna remove the ownership of this user. You just click where is those three dot R on the right side. From here you click manage property owner. It's gonna open another window. So here you can see all the verification attempt for each user. Okay, it will show also the result: verification successfully or verification failed. It also shows the method of verification. Okay, so you scroll down and then you select a user that you want and verify. Let's say this one. You click and verify. You say yes. You just click and verify. There you go. As you can see here, this email has been unverified. So that means this user won't be able to access to our Search Console anymore. So this is how you do to remove a user or unverify a user from your Google Search Console. I hope this video will help someone who is in need. Please don't forget to like it and subscribe. Ciao.